Imagination, creation, is really the language of the soul. The brand is called Anima Vinci because I deeply feel the power of the soul. Something very important for me is the impact of fragrance toward the mind, the impact of the scent toward the brain, and the idea that it goes back to as a primal sense. It's all about instinct motion, it's at the junction of your emotion and your memories, and the perception is going to be very unique. We don't feel the same, we don't sense, we don't smell the same. What I want to share with you is the way we work creatively, actually. We don't give a brief, we don't say, do that, do that, do that. We work together, we exchange together, we push our limit together, and we can do up to 400 submissions until we achieve perfection, until we achieve the balance we want to do. There is no limit of quality, there is no limit of price of ingredient, there is no limit of nose, everything is open. It's all about emotion. I think fragrance is an art. If you're interested one day to work with perfume, it's always time to start. You have a vision, and that's the treasure to have a vision. You have this incredible creativity, so be yourself and open your heart. And I would say dream big, be you, and sempre vivo.